Hey there, issuing refunds can be tricky, but QuickBooks Online makes it easy. Let's walk through the steps it's correctly enter a refund in QuickBooks Online. For this, first log into your QuickBooks account. Now, on the left hand navigation bar, select New. Now, click on Refund Received under the Customer section. From the customer drop-down menu, select the customer you are issuing the refund to. Fill out the details of the refund, matching the item exactly to the original sale information. From the refund form drop-down, choose the account you want to issue the refund from, like your bank account or credit card. Then finally click Save to record the refund. And that's it. Refunds are now entered correctly, keeping your books clean and accurate. QuickBooks Online makes the refund process fast and simple, helping you maintain great customer relationship. For more QuickBooks tips, hit like and subscribe.